Your credit score affects more than you might think, from credit cards to loans and even rental applications. In this video, I'll explain how credit scores work in Canada and share practical steps you can take to improve your credit score over time. What a credit score is. A credit score is a number that reflects how you've handled credit in the past. In Canada, lenders use it to assess risk, not to judge you personally. A higher score generally makes it easier to qualify for credit and better terms. What affects your credit score? Several factors influence your credit score, including payment history, how much of your available credit you use, length of your credit history, types of credit you have, how often you apply for new credit. Improving your score usually means improving habits, not quick fixes. Step 1. Pay bills on time. Payment history is one of the most important factors. Even one missed payment can hurt your score. Setting up reminders or automatic payments can help you stay consistent and avoid late payments. Step 2. Keep credit usage low. Using too much of your available credit can lower your score. Many people aim to keep balances well below their credit limits. Paying down balances, even gradually, can have a positive impact over time. Step 3. Avoid applying for too much credit. Each credit application can temporarily affect your score. Applying only when you need credit and spacing out applications can help protect your score. Step 4. Keep accounts open and active. Length of credit history matters. Keeping older accounts open, especially if they're in good standing, can help maintain a stronger credit profile. Step 5. Check your credit report regularly. Errors can appear on credit reports. Reviewing your report helps you spot mistakes early and address them if needed. Canadians can check their credit reports through credit bureaus and financial institutions. Be patient and consistent. Credit improvement takes time. There's no instant fix, but consistent habits often lead to steady improvement. Focus on progress, not perfection. If this video helped you understand how to improve your credit score, subscribe to the Canadian Money Guide for clear, practical explanations about money decisions Canadians face. In future videos, we'll cover credit cards, debt, and building stronger financial habits. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice.